Oh my gosh, it's video boot camp. I really need to go. I need to learn how to make my videos better. Oh my gosh, there's only 2 tickets left. I think I really need to sleep on it. It would be great to go back to California to Encinitas. And I also heard they're going to have it at Debbie's store at DIY Go-Go. Oh, it would be awesome. You could see the murals that were being done and all the cool stuff that Debbie and her crew has done to the store. Also, part of boot camp will be at Debbie's old store, DIY headquarters. Never been there. That's in Solana Beach. Wow, could you imagine the drive there? It's only 3 miles away, but oh, it's driving right past the beach. What a great view.
It's 720 square feet, and I was able to use maybe 600 out of that. The rest I had to use for storage. So what a before and after.
Yeah.
From this to Encinitas.
That's Karen from the Noble Willow. I'm sure she'll be really excited to pick from the boneyard, or from the inside too. We get to pick a piece of furniture and some smalls to sell on market day. I think I'll pick a little nightstand. I know it's going to be warm, and you know, you only have 4 hours. 4 hours to finish our piece and the video. Oh gosh, I think I need to get my Wonder Woman going on. Oh my gosh, I'll even need to find a place to stay. Oh, what am I going to do? I know what I'm going to do. I got to go to boot camp. What is going on? How did this get in here? Christmas music? Are you kidding me? So, I'll need to clean this nightstand real good before I paint it. I'll probably even take the hardware off. What color to paint it? I know exactly what I'll paint it. DIY's Mermaid tail. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Reminds me of the beach. Yes, it definitely reminds me of the beach. I'm going to paint the drawers first. And yeah, I'm going to spray them a little bit. It's a little warm and I want that paint just to glide. While the drawers are drying, I'm going to paint the rest of the nightstand. Ugh. I hope this comes out pretty. This nightstand's a little, you know. I mixed DIY's Cherry Picked and Mint Chip together to get me a purple color. I kind of like it. And I also put Mint Chip by itself on there and blended it together. Looks kind of cool. This is kind of taking away the color of the mermaid tail, but you'll see why soon. I added a little bit more water to get the blending effect I wanted. I think I will use Jami Vintage Mermaid Scale Stencil for the drawers. Oh my, here we go again. I think you need to grab a good stencil brush, and it needs to be a little stiff, and you don't want it too wet. Don't put too much paint on there like I did, or you'll have to pounce. Finally, that looks better. I usually tape my stencils down. Some people don't have to, but I know how I am. But you also can pounce, pounce, pounce and hold that stencil down because you don't want paint to get underneath it. You can even do the swirling. I like that better, but it depends on what kind of texture you want. That looks cool. By the way, you would have thought I would record this at Bootcamp. Oops. Oh my gosh, the sun's going to be setting soon. We need to hurry. The purple I mixed wasn't quite right with the mermaid tail, so I'm going to mute it a little bit with the mint chip. I dry brushed the top of the drawer and applied paint to the brush just like I would a stencil brush. Now my nightstand is dry and it's time to add that golden ticket to my wax, the buttery wax. Just wait till you see this. I used my buff brush from Paint Pixie. Wow, look at this. Look at that shine. And can you see that gold just glimmering? I love it. I also added a little paint and golden ticket to my hardware on the drawers. Golden ticket added to the wax was the perfect finish. I think the nightstand's happy now. I know I am. I love the worn look on the drawers and I love the close-ups. Oh, now it's time to go to DIY Go-Go for the class for the video editing. Oh boy. That's at 8 a.m. in the morning. Yay. But we get to see all the cool things in the store. And Jami and Zeb will be there too. They're going to tell about their YouTube success. I wonder if Danielle will stop in on Market Day. And oh, I'm going to see that chandelier made by the shipwreck crew. Kenise lives 25 minutes from me, and I just see her at all the retreats. We got to fix that. It will be great to see friends and to make new ones. Oh, and those tacos. Oh my gosh, what time is it? Was I dreaming? I have to hurry up and buy that ticket because I'm going to video boot camp. Please like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to ring my bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling.